Hello students, today you will learn about the reported speech. Reported speech has two ways to express the reporting words of a speaker, direct speech and indirect speech. In this video, you will know the rules with examples to change the direct speech into indirect speech. Direct speech, actual words of the speaker. The reporting of the words of the speaker without making any change to it is known as direct speech. Indirect speech, not actual words of the speaker. The act of reporting the words of a speaker by making necessary change to it is called indirect speech. Students, there are some rules to change the direct speech into indirect speech. See and watch the rules attentively. See the example, my mother said you have to work hard. This sentence is indirect speech because it is written in inverted comma and the actual words of the speaker. My mother said that I had to work harder. This sentence is in indirect speech because it is not in inverted commas and this sentence is not the actual words of the speaker. These words are reported. Let's see the next example. The man said to me, I am doctor. The words that is written before the inverted commas, the man said to me. In this sentence, the man is subject, said जो verb होता है reporting verbs and me is our object. And the sentence in inverted comma is said reported speech. Change of reporting verb in assertive sentence. There are some rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. When we change the direct speech into indirect speech, we change the reporting verb also. As if our reporting verb is said to, we change it into told. If our reporting verb is only said, then there is no change. We change say to into tell and will say remains, will say there is no change. When we change the sentence into indirect speech, we use conjunction that to join the reporting verb to the reported speech. जब हमें हमारा सेंटेंस को हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते हैं और हमारा सेंटेंस असर्टिव सेंटेंस होता है मीन सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है दैन वी यूज कंजक्शन दैट तब हम दैट कंजक्शन का यूज करते हैं टू रिमूव द इन्वर्टेड कोमास. There are some changes to consider direct speech into indirect speech. Firstly, we must know about the change of pronouns. Our first person, I, we, etc. change according to the subject of the reporting verbs. मीन्स जो हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब होता है उससे पहले जो उसका सब्जेक्ट दिया जाता है उस सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हम अपने आई और वी जो हमारे फर्स्ट पर्सन होते हैं उस प्रनाउन को चेंज करते हैं. सेकेंड पर्सन इज आर यू एंड योर. चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब मीन्स जो हमारे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के बाद दिया जाता है जो हमारा सेकंड पर्सन रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में यू और योर दिया जाता है उस प्रोनाउंस में चेंज हम अपने रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग करते हैं. थर्ड पर्सन ही शी इट दे. अगर हमारा रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में जो हमारा प्रोनाउंस होता है वो थर्ड पर्सन में होता है तब हम उस प्रोनाउंस में कोई चेंज नहीं करते हैं ना सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग और ना ही ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. चेंज फर्स्ट पर्सन इनटू थर्ड पर्सन. हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होता है इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हैज़ नो ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर बाहर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है ओनली सब्जेक्ट है तो जो हमारा पर्सन है फर्स्ट पर्सन वो थर्ड पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाता है. Change in the pronouns. With the example, see the first example. I said to Rishi, I am thankful to you. This sentence is in direct speech because it is in inverted commas and the actual words of the speaker. In this sentence, I is the subject of our reporting verb said and Rishi is the object of our reporting verb sat. And I in the inverted comma is our first person and you is our second person. Now we have to change the pronouns. I sat to will be changed into told. I told Rishi. To remove the inverted comma, we will use the conjunction that because it is our assertive sentence. I told Rishi that. I is our first person and subject is our I. So I will remain I. I was thankful to him. We write him because you is our second person and it will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb, and our object is Rishi, that is a boy. We use he for the boy and we will use here him. Him is the object of the he. I told Rishi that I was thankful to him. See the second example. You said to me, I like solving puzzles. You is the subject of our reporting verb and me is the object of our reporting verb. I is the pronoun in this sentence which is in first person. Then now we have to change this direct speech into indirect speech. You told me that. I is our first person or our subject is you. So then we will write you in place of I. You liked solving puzzles. See third example. Ahmed said to him, she knew me well. In this sentence, Ahmed is the subject and him is the object of our reporting verb said. She is third person and me is our first person. Now we have to change this sentence into indirect speech. Ahmed told him that she is third person, so there will be no change in this pronoun. She had known me is a first person and first person is changed according to subject and our subject is Ahmed. So we will write here him in place of me. Known him well. Ahmed told him that she had known him well. Fourth example. Ram said, I like singing. Ram is the subject of our reporting verb and I is in our first person. Ram said that he liked singing. When there is no object outside, we would change our first person into third person and Ram is a subject also and we will use him as a third person. So we will write he in place of I. Ram said that he liked singing. Students, you learned about the change of pronouns into the indirect speech. Now you will know about the change of tenses or verb of the sentence into the indirect speech. Change into reported speech with respect to the tense. Firstly, you will know about the present tense. Rules of conversion from direct speech to indirect speech. First is our simple present tense. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हमारा जो वर्ब होता है वो फर्स्ट फॉर्म में होता है, उसको हम चेंज करते हैं सेकेंड फॉर्म में. मतलब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस चेंज इनटू सिंपल पास्ट. सी द एग्जांपल. ही सेड, I love my country. In this sentence, love is the verb and it is in the first form. When we will change it into indirect speech, we will change the first form into second form. Then we will write, he said that he loved his country. See the second example. They said, we do not like computers. In this sentence, do is also in first form, means present tense. So we will write into indirect speech. They said that they did not like computers. Now we will change do not into did not. Present continuous tense change into past continuous, means is and change into was verb. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में जो हमारा वर्ब होता है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज आर एम प्लस V4 मीन्स वर्ब के साथ ING होता है. See the sentence. I said it is raining. Is raining is showing that our sentence is in present continuous. Now we will change it into past continuous when we change the direct speech into indirect speech. I said that it was raining. Present perfect change into past perfect means has have changed into had. See the example. They said we have not gone to New York. Now see into indirect speech. They said that they had not gone to New York. In this sentence, have is our verb. But in present perfect, when we will change into indirect speech, we will change the verb have into had. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous. Means the verb of the present perfect continuous has been, have been changed into had been. See the example. He said, I have been studying since 3 o'clock. He said that he had been studying since 3 o'clock. Simple past change into past perfect. Our verb is in simple past in second form, and in past perfect our verb is in had plus verb की third form. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, we change second form into had plus verb की third form. See the example. He said to me, I didn't buy a car. Now we will change it into indirect speech. He told me that he had not bought a car. Didn't is in simple past means second form. We will write had not in place of did not, and by is in the first form. We will write third form of the verb in place of by. See the second example. My teacher said you answered correctly. In this sentence, answered is in second form. When we will change it into indirect speech, we will use the verb had plus verb की third form. My teacher said that I had answered correctly. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous means we change was were into had been. See the example. She said I was listening the music. Into indirect speech, she said that she had been listening the music. Past perfect remains past perfect. There is no change in the tense of past perfect means had plus verb की third form. There is no change in the verb of the past perfect tense. See the example. He said I had started a business. It will remain say. There will be no change. We will write also into indirect speech. He said that he had started a business. Simple future. In simple future tense, our verb is will. We will change will into would. See the example. He said I will study the book. Into indirect speech, we will write he said that he would study the book. Future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, our verb is will be, and we will change will be into would be when we change direct speech into indirect speech. See the examples. Rahul said he will not be flying kites. Indirect speech, Rahul said that he would not be flying kites. Future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, our verb is will have. We will change will have into would have. See the example. He said she will have gone. Into indirect speech, we will write he said that she would have gone. Change of models. When we change the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech and our verb in reported speech is in modal verb, then we change like this. Can into could, may into might, must into had to, or must would, should, might, could, there will be no change in these modal verbs. There are also some other words that we change into reported speech, as we change now into then, ago into before, today into that day, this, that those, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. Thus, into so, last night, the previous night, next week into the following week, here into there. Students, you learn the change of pronouns, the change of verbs when we change the sentence into indirect speech. But there are some change when we don't change the verb into the reported speech. See, if the reporting verb is in the present tense, means if our reporting verb is says, and in future verb tense means our reporting verb is will say. The verb of the reported speech does not change. अगर हमारा जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो सेज है या विल से है, तब जो हमारा वर्ब है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. प्रोनाउंस विल बी चेंज बट वर्ब विल नॉट बी चेंज. सी द एग्जाम्पल. He says he is unwell. He says that he is unwell. She will say, I have passed the examination. In this sentence, our reporting verb is will say in future tense. So we will not change the verb of our reported speech. We will write like this. She will say that she has passed the examination. We have not changed the tense of the reported speech. If the reporting speech relates to some universal truth, general and habitual facts, then the verb is not changed. अगर हमारा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है वो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है या हैबिचुअल फैक्ट है, तब भी हमारे वर्ब में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. He said God rules and governs all things. He said that God rules and governs all things. It is universal facts. Rakesh said, I am an early riser. Rakesh said that he is an early riser. It is habitual facts. So, we have not changed the verb of this sentence. We changed only the pronouns of the reported speech. See the examples. Lalit said to his friend, I cannot come out to play. Said to is our reporting verb. We will change it into told. Lalit told his friend. To remove the inverted comma, we use the conjunction that when our sentence is simple sentence or assertive sentence. I is our first person and first person is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. And the subject of our reporting verb is Lalit. So we will write he in place of I. Can is our modal verb and can is changed into could. Lalit told his friend that he could not come out to play. Next example. Atul said, Meera is in my class. Atul said. Said remains said if there is no object after the reporting verb. Atul said that Meera was in his class. We change is into was. Next example. Rohini said to me, your bottle has fallen from the bag. Rohini told me that your is our second person and second person is changed according to the object of the reporting verb and our object is me. So we will write my in place of your. That my bottle has will be changed into had fallen from the bag. Rohini told me that my bottle had fallen from the bag. Next example. The teacher said to the student, you don't work neatly. The teacher told the students that you is our second person and our object is students. So we will write they in place of you. They do not change into did not. Did not write neatly. The teacher told the students that they did not write neatly. Next example. Peggy said to Maggie she was late yesterday. Peggy told Maggie that she is our third person. So there will be no change in the pronouns of reported speech. She will remain she. Was will be changed into had been and yesterday will be changed into the previous day. Peggy told Maggie that she had been late the previous day. Next example, he says, I am ill. In this sentence, our reporting verb is in present tense. So, there will be no change in the verb of our reported speech. He says that he is ill. I is our first person according to object. We will write he in place of I. But we have not changed the verb of the reported speech. It was in present tense and we will also write it into present tense because our reporting verb is in present tense. Next example. The teacher said to the students, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Our reported speech is the general truth. So, we will not change the verb of this reported speech. The teacher told the students that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.